So guys, in this series of stock market wisdom videos, today we will discuss an age-old saying in the stock market that sell your mistakes in the bull market and buy your regrets in the bear market. So let's break it down. Let's start with the first half, that sell your mistakes in the bull market, right? What does it mean? Well, all of us are guilty of buying stocks that we knew later on was a mistake. Right? So maybe we bought the stock based on somebody's recommendation or stock tips, or plainly based on our impulse, right? We thought that the stock would go up, we will make some money out of it. But when these stocks do not perform, we get disappointed. And after a while, we start losing hope that they will ever recover back to our purchase price. And the realization sets in that the investment was a mistake. But in spite of that realization, we never get the courage to book the loss. So what ends up happening is that all these stocks sit in the portfolio as a sore spot, and every time you look at them, you will feel disappointed, you will feel sad. Now the good news is that the bull markets have a way of healing the portfolios, right? So what happens during the raging bull markets is that you will see even the worst quality stocks that have no business fundamentals, they start showing tremendous returns, and many of them recover back from their bear market lows. And this is the opportunity for you to get rid of these stocks that you were stuck with for a long time. So in other words, sell your mistakes and clean up your portfolio. Right? Now let's talk about the second part, which is buy your regrets in the bear markets. Now what does that mean? Now in the bull markets, everything becomes expensive, right? So we see a lot of times, especially these high quality stocks, if you see a stock at 100 rupee, you will think, oh, this is too expensive. Well, what ends up happening is that a 100 rupee stock will even go to 200. So if you did not have the courage to buy the stock at 100, you're definitely not going to buy the stock at 200, right? So what ends up happening is that you don't buy these high quality stocks in the bull markets, and you always regret not buying them. So if you missed out on buying these high quality stocks during the bull market, bear market is the perfect time to buy them, right? So all these high quality stocks that you could not buy, they will be available at a great price. And hence the saying goes that buy your regrets, the stocks that you regret not buying in the bull markets, buy them in the bear market, right? That's what it means. So guys, I hope you will keep this wisdom in mind, and you will take necessary action whenever the market gives you an opportunity to do so.